I did all the things. I went to all the workshops, the conferences. I did it. Trust me, if it's out there, I've probably experienced it in some way, shape, or form. And I've spent to the tune of like over $100,000 in education. So when I say I've done it, I've done it. What I realized in the photography world is that a lot of times there were courses or things that gave you a snippet. Here's this one piece. Here's this one piece. Here's this one piece. Or what they said to you was, here's my system, implement it. But they didn't really explain all the other pieces. So it was like you were left with a puzzle with like a few pieces here and there, and then some other things were missing. Or you were left with like a script or a template or a system of, hey, do this because it works for me. But it didn't work for me because I wasn't that person and because it didn't fit who I was as a person and my why and what was important and what I valued. And it didn't work for me because I didn't understand it.